Did you know how fast UK PhD supervisors can make an offer when they find a student who can immediately contribute to a real project? If you already have a publication in a major journal or hands-on research that directly matches your intended field, then even if your grades are not outstanding, you are still seen as the ideal candidate in a supervisor's eyes. Many PhD applicants fall into the same misunderstanding. They believe that a grade average above 90 and multiple scholarships will automatically secure a place. To be honest, in a supervisor's view, that only means you are good at exams. They are not recruiting you to come and top tests. What they truly want is someone who can join the research group and start working straight away. Someone who can help push projects forward. If you cannot even write a proper literature review, and if data cleaning still needs to be taught from the very beginning, then recruiting you is not gaining help. It is creating extra work. That is why students who have deeply participated in core research projects and demonstrated independent thinking hold a huge advantage. If you can clearly explain in your application how you understand the underlying logic of a project or how you extracted meaningful results from thousands of messy data points, the supervisor immediately feels reassured. What you submit is not just a CV. You are showing that you are experienced and do not need to be guided step by step in research. One student we worked with, Stella, is a very typical example. When she first came to us, her average mark was just over 80 and she did not yet have an English test score. She was extremely anxious. But when I reviewed her CV, I noticed that she had been deeply involved in a provincial level laboratory project and showed strong independent judgment. I helped her structure that experience and present her problem-solving logic clearly in her research proposal. As soon as the interview ended, the supervisor emailed her saying that Stella was his first choice and asked her to submit the online application immediately so that he could issue the offer straight away. This is the kind of treatment that students who only focus on chasing grades will never experience. So stop exhausting yourself over tiny differences in grade averages. Invest your energy in refining your research experience. That is what truly carries weight when you apply to top universities. Do you want to know whether the project you have worked on are strong enough in the eyes of leading UK supervisors? Or would you like to see how Stella convinced her supervisor in the first place? Send me a private message with the word research. We will arrange a one-to-one assessment and help you identify exactly what is still missing between your background and a top university offer.